Hello everybody. The confusion between the uses of never and never is very common. So in today's lesson I'm going to explain it. First of all, you have to put ever in interrogative sentences and you have to place it after the subject. For instance, have you ever visited the moon? You have to put never in negative sentences and you have to place it between the verb have and the past participle. For instance, I have never visited the moon. You can use ever in affirmative in this structure. Is the best book I have ever read. I think this video will be very useful for you. That's all. Thank you.